In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called System and Update. Then you need to tap on System Navigation, and if you are not using gestures, you need to click on them here to use one-handed mode. You can always go back to the same settings to go back to buttons. Either way, after setting up gestures, go back to Main Settings, tap on Accessibility and Convenience, and then scroll to select one-handed mode. As you can read here, it only works when navigation gestures are enabled. So with this out of the way, you can enable one-handed mode thanks to Gray Switcher and use it like on this presentation. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!